Hello guys, what's up and good morning. Today I will be doing a tutorial on my Zoom G1xOn on how to use the expression pedal to assign functions for this one. So stick around and we're gonna demo it to you. See you in a bit. Okay, so we'll start with this one. I've chosen the patch Texas tone. So Texas tone, and what have we got inside? You got the tube screamer, Fender Vibro, the amp sim, spring reverb, air. I don't know what is air. I'm not sure if it's another variation of reverb. Anyway, that's what's inside Texas tone. Our main topic today is about this one, the expression pedal. Okay, right, volume. So the expression pedal is not activated at the moment, so we will need to turn this knob and go to patch settings, and then in here you will see up there says pedal. So it's selecting the pedals that we got. So the tube screamer, FT Vibro, spring. So you can adjust this one, which pedal you wanted to. So that's the one, no assign. Initially it was on tube screamer gain. There it is. Right, so we've discovered it. Now we'll change it to level. So level means the volume of your tube screamer. The first one was the gain, so this one's level. Now is the gain for the vibro or your level for your Fender Vibro. Dual for your spring reverb. So you can adjust it from 0 to 100 without tweaking by just using your expression pedal. So it's dry, no reverb, but if we put a little or full blast, then next, mixer. Mixer is like trying to mix between dry and wet signal. There we go. Level, obviously the volume of your spring reverb, and then air. then output volume. So how loud you want your pedal would be. Right, going back, I think I like the tube screamer, the gain level, so we can leave it like that now. Okay, we'll move to another effects that we can use. There's one that I really wanted to try. This one, Face City. Right, we'll do the same. So you got phaser, tone city, zoom noise reduction, and the plate reverb. Now we are going to the patch settings again, and we are going to go to the pedal. So pedal, phaser, it's on rate. What else? Level, gain of the tone city, level, zoom noise reduction, plate. Okay. So phaser.